In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your location using Nordvpn. Whether you're looking to access region-specific content or simply want to enhance your online privacy, this tutorial will guide you step by step through the process. Let's start off by launching the Nordvpn application on your device. It's available on multiple platforms, so whether you're on a desktop or mobile, the process remains similar. Once you have Nordvpn opened, you'll be greeted with a user-friendly interface designed to make navigation a breeze. Now that the app is open, you'll need to choose how you want to connect. There are two main methods to do this, and each has its perks. If you're in a hurry or unsure about which server to connect to, Quick Connect might be your best option. By clicking on Quick Connect, NordVPN automatically selects a server that offers the best connection speed and reliability for you. It takes into account various factors such as server load and your geographical location, helping to ensure an optimal connection with just a single click. If you prefer having more control over your server selection or want to connect to a specific country, you can choose the manual selection method. To do this, navigate to More Connection Options. Here you'll find a comprehensive list of countries. You can scroll through this list, or if it's easier, use the interactive map. The map feature is particularly handy because it allows you to visually browse through different server locations around the globe. Simply zoom in or out and click on any of the highlighted points to discover available servers. Once you've identified your desired location, connecting is straightforward. Just click on the country or city you wish to connect through, and NordVPN will work its magic to establish a secure connection. This might take a few moments, so feel free to wait patiently until the connection is successful. After connecting, it's a good idea to verify your new location to ensure everything is set up correctly. You can do this by checking your IP address on a website such as whatisamypadress.com. Alternatively, you can visit Google. If your location has changed, you'll likely notice a difference in the language or content suggestions right away. And there you have it, you're now connected to a different location using NordVPN, providing you access to a world of possibilities while maintaining your online privacy. Be sure to stay connected whenever browsing the internet to benefit from enhanced security and unrestricted access to content around the globe. Thank you for watching, and feel free to like this video and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Happy browsing!